Hey guys, welcome back to German Made Easy. Today we learn alphabets in German. The alphabets in German are more or less similar to that in English, just the pronunciation is different. Apart from alphabets from A to Z, there are also 4 more components and we'll be learning them in the end. With each letter, I'll show you a word starting from that letter. This would help you to get the pronunciation of that letter. It would be more helpful if you repeat after me and listen to the pronunciation again and again. The first one is A, Apfel. A, Apfel. B, Baum. B, Baum. C, Computer. C, Computer. D, Delfin. D, Delfin. A, Elephant. A, elephant. F, fish. F, fish. It has the same pronunciation like English. G, guitar. G, guitar. H, Hund. H, Hund. E, igloo. E, igloo. Yacht, Jacke. Yacht, Jacke. The sound of J is that of Y. K, kiwi. K, kiwi. L, land. L, land. M, mouse. M, mouse. N, Nase. N, Nase. O, orange. O, orange. P, penguin. P, penguin. Q, koala. Q, koala. R, rose. R, rose. S, Sonne. S, Sonne. Most of the time S is pronounced like Z. T, tiger. T, tiger. U, oor. U, oor. V, violine. V, violine. In most cases, German V has a pronunciation of F. W, Wassermelone. W, Wassermelone. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. Ypsilon, yacht. Ypsilon, yacht. There are only a few words that begin with this letter in German. Set, zebra. Set, zebra. The pronunciation of this letter is more like sir. Now we'll discuss about the 4 more letters in the German alphabets. The first one is A. The 2 dots over A are known as umlaut. They change the sound from A to A, like in the word bear. The next one is O. The sound changes from O to O, just like in the word lower. Let's move on to the next one. U. The sound changes from O to U, just like in the word Gemüse. Please notice that there are only 3 letters that get the umlaut or the 2 dots on the top. Now the next and the last letter is S set. It looks like the beta sign and sounds like a double S. Now there's a minor difference between the usage of S set and a double S. A double S is usually written only after a short vowel sound, like der Fluss, das Schloss, whereas S set is used after a long vowel sound, like der Fuß or die Straße. So these were the 30 letters of the German alphabets. It would be better if you revise again and again to pick up the pronunciation well. Thank you so much for watching.